Today I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on BeReal. So first of all, what you need to do is go onto the BeReal app and just click like that. Then when you're in here, you need to click up on the right hand corner. You need to click on your profile. This is your profile. You need to click on your profile picture, and down here you can change your full name, your username, your bio, and your location. But what you need to do to change your profile picture is go up here and click on the camera icon. So from here you can either choose use today's BeReal as your profile picture, use your photo library, or your camera, or you can delete your profile picture if you want to do that. So I'm just gonna choose photo library for this example. I'm just gonna scroll down to all my selfies, and I have a good picture here with Selena Gomez, and I'm gonna choose that. And that is basically that is basically much it. So you just need to click on save up here, and there you go. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on BeReal. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible.